Talk about stepping on cords.
How many times are you tempted to Sam like
Who are you fighting Saptex for again?
Both of us.
Look, you're going to be
He's me, she's her.
Okay.
I was going to say him for him, her for her.
I swear
What
to
I just
God.
said.
Okay, you guys are traveling down the Amazon River in a man-made raft.
Wait, don't they live in
I hope it's not
Africa?
naturally made raft.
It's not necessarily, well, you're thinking Africa because it's that.
That damn blind kid.
It's like the Amazon, which
I
is-
just love it. These two have cameras out.
In case I make another menopause crash. Got
Okay, you guys are traveling down the river when all of a sudden your boat starts to leak and it starts to rain and all this nasty stuff starts to happen.
Actually, I don't trust this one.
You, Jane, believe in women work too.
Yes, I'm. Oh wait, our river is breaking. The river is breaking.
River is breaking.
The raft is sinking. Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of snakes in this river.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think I heard it once.
I'm trying to make thunder, but I don't know how to do thunder.
I hear
Oh my God.
Oh my god! Ah, we need to come up with something. We need to sit down on here. We need to sit down on the hull, and I'll keep paddling, and then we can get to our destination, so we can get back to camp.
Alright.
Alright. Oh god.
Oh,
Oh god.
there's an Apache helicopter above us.
Where's the Germans here?
Give me my... You can give Tarzan anti-aircraft missile.
I'm sorry, I don't believe cards.
Suck it, Nazi!
Oh
I have
god.
no
Okay.
idea why we done made that noise.
Okay, I think we're stuck. We're not moving anymore. Okay, so I think we. Oh god. Oh god. I need 5
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Near disaster.
Okay. Okay. So I'm away from the snakes.
Me Tarzan know why you chain married to me Tarzan. Never mind.
It's hard to hear everything with this Apache helicopter, and all these snakes, and all this water, and we just need to
Could be
get out of
worse.
here.
Me Tarzan could be on plane with snake.
Yes. Just start throwing snakes at the plane, and then.
Are we battling villain in G.I. Joe?
Yes. What is G.I. Joe? I think that's the head of our body.
Me Tarzan plays with wall.
Okay. I say break the snakes. Let's get out.
All right.
All right.
Careful.
Okay.
Oh.
Get on the line.
Apache helicopter shoot at me Tarzan again.
Okay, let's, we need to get under some tree cover so they can't see us anymore. Alright.
Are we beach gun players too?
Yes.
So we have secret power.
Yes, we do.
Let's use secret power.
Yeah.
All right. Body tie.
Eine Kau!
Apache helicopter imploded. You would better where your power did this.
Okay, that would be good enough.
That was such an exciting and
Thanks, you guys. Give them a round of applause for them.